Hello everyone, it's me Cvety, and now I'm going to make a room tour in Dubai, and my hotel is Burj Al-Arab, and I hope you like this amazing room. So here from the main door you can see a little room with toilet. And those amazing golden details you can see here all over the room. Here we have stairs to the second floor and a very nice chandelier here we have. This is like an office part, and you can put your computer and work from here. So it's very comfortable to stay even longer. So here we have a hidden place for the coffee machine, which is super nice, golden, and you can enjoy your coffee. Here you have some special coffees and teas. Then there you can see here this bar with a chair and another table with seasonal fruits. I love this room because it has a lot of mirrors, and I'm super happy as a woman. Here we have super nice TV place with gold and a huge sofa, a really huge and comfortable sofa actually, but unfortunately I don't have any time to sit there. Here we'll have another sofa where you can lay down for a little bit, and this blue wall here. Actually I love the combination with the blue and gold. It gives me so royal vibes. And then we have here this amazing view to the city there and the palm. You can see here the brand new hotel, which is Atlantis Royal. Here we have a view to the swimming pool. Some people are there. I wish I could be too, but I don't have time for that today. Tell me if you like the room. Is it too much for you? Could you stay for a while or what? Here we have some decoration. A little maybe luggage room I never visited. Now I'm going to the second floor. Here we have mirror again. There the luggage begins. Here you can see here two wardrobes. Here you can see such a mess. And this is our bedroom. Again we have some sofa here. Everything is made to feel so comfortable and not to think about anything. Here we have this place where we put our supplements, and there is a TV coming out from here, and you can watch if you have free time, of course. This is the bed, which is like super royal. Here again we have some mirror and me, and here we have another mirror like okay. This is another mirror, which I really like, and it's super nice to have a mirror above your bed. We have the same view as downstairs, and here we have a bathroom. Never use this when you're on a holiday. You can see here another gold details. Here is such a mess, sorry, but there is no place for my cosmetic, as you can see. Here we have a jacuzzi with a really nice view. You can see, wow, it's really nice. Here you can take a shower. It's again super spacious. Here we have some like compliments and towels, and that's all. Here again we have a mirror. So tell me guys if you like the hotel, and please so tell me, what do you think about the hotel? Would you like to visit it one day or whatever? Tell me your opinion, and please support me with a like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my next video for Dubai.